Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia. I'm a curly hair enthusiast and I talk about all things curly, beauty, and lifestyle. So for today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys how I refresh my hair. This hair is about 4 days old. I actually washed my hair on Saturday. It's Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yep, it's 4 days old. And I'm going ahead and refreshing it for you guys because it's a hot mess. I've had it in low buns, ponytails this whole time because obviously working out, throwing it in buns, this just alters your curl pattern. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my hair. So if you're interested in learning how I do that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and I will throw down my social handles so you can follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. So what do you need to refresh your hair? First off, you need water. You need a spray bottle of any sort with water. I just use plain water. A lot of people like to mix their products in here. I just like to use just regular water. And I also like to use the gel that I used for the wash and go that's currently in my hair right now. I mean, you can definitely mix, but I never know if the products that I currently have in my hair will mix well with the new gel that I add in. So I like to stick with the gel that I used before. And you don't need a lot. You just need some for certain areas that might be less defined than others. So let's get started. All right, so my hair is about 4 days old and it's been in a ponytail, in a bun. It's actually not terrible. Actually, it's kind of bad, but I definitely want to refresh it because my hair is not dirty yet. So let's get started. So what I like to do is I like to section my hair just like I would if I was styling, but I don't part in small sections. I kind of just part crazy actually. I don't have like a formal method of how I part my hair. So I just part my hair like this, right? You'd still see, obviously my curls are still pretty decent. So I just start spraying. This will go ahead and activate the products that's already in your hair. So that's why sometimes, like I said, you don't need to use too much gel when you're actually refreshing, but we shall see. You go with how it feels. I like to saturate my hair because it takes forever for my hair to actually get wet, so just keep adding water. I might have to refill this bottle before because it's pretty low. So just keep spraying away till your hair is as wet as you desire. I like to refresh my hair once a week, if that. Sometimes I don't even refresh it at all, but when there's times where I actually want my wash and go to last and I might want to leave my hair out again sometime this week, then I will refresh my hair. A lot of times I just let my hair do its thing and leave it in a bun, especially now that we're in quarantine and like we're not really going anywhere. I don't really have a reason to have my hair super bomb except for being in my living room. But yeah, so I normally don't refresh as much, but on a normal week, if quarantine wasn't happening, I would refresh typically once a week. It's very rare that my wash and goes actually last the entire week because I do work out and I do sweat a lot. Then it's important for me to refresh because if not, my hair's gonna look all types of crazy. All right, so I didn't even tell you guys what I just did. I just grabbed a little bit of gel and just added it to the section. And just keep breaking it through. Prayer hands it through. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some more water. And water just helps it become more defined and it gives me better results. So, all right. I think I'm good on water for this section. I did choose a pretty big section, so. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more gel. Hair hands it through. Cool, and then look at how it looks. Can you guys see? We're back at square one. Define curls again. So I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same exact thing. I'm gonna finish off this one, show you guys how it turns out. And then I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video so that way you guys don't get too bored of me continuously repeating the same exact steps. Alright guys, so now that my hair is fully refreshed, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair. Sometimes I would let it air dry, but for the sake of today's video, I think I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then I will come back and show you guys how my final results look. But as you guys can see, it is super defined right now. The magic of just adding water and the gel that you used, or the styler, because I know a lot of you don't style with gel. Add a little bit of the styler with the water, then you're golden. That's what typically works for me. I know some people don't have to add as much water as I do, but since my hair is very dry and low porosity as F, I need to definitely add a lot more water than usual just because my hair is just so thirsty that it absorbs every ounce of water that I put on it. So it is very important for me to add water and not just add the gel directly to my hair because it would literally just sit on my hair. The water allows for the product to actually work through my hair. If I was just to add the gel, it would be a hot mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then I will come back and show you guys what my final results look like in a few. Alright, so these are my dry results. Look at the definition in my curls. I am super happy with the way this turned out. I didn't expect anything less, just because I'm so used to this routine already. When I do go about refreshing, I already know the ratio to gel to water at this point, so I've kind of mastered my refreshes. So this will last me till wash day, which is probably going to be either Saturday or Sunday. Sometimes I would just wash my hair twice in 1 week so I don't have to refresh, but in this case I didn't feel like doing all of that. I just felt like leaving my hair as is and just refreshing it so that way I could get the most out of my last wash and go. But yeah, this is it. These are my final results. Super defined. I did scrunch out the crunch with a little bit of oil, and I did fluff my roots a little bit. When I do refresh my hair, I notice that I do have a little bit more volume than usual, only because I don't actually wet my hair entirely. I kind of leave my roots a little dry, so that's why my hair naturally has a little bit more volume when I do refresh. So I do love these results. I didn't feel like I had to do much. Tomorrow my hair is going to be a lot bigger, but it's going to be exactly how I like it. So over the course of the next few days, my hair just tends to get bigger and bigger. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Super quick, straight to the point. Comment down below if you guys have a different method of refreshing, if you guys do something different, let me know because I'm always trying to learn something different. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!